We've arrived at Lost Creek Raceway. Apparently the track surface is brand new. Maybe they put fresh road base in the pits, but it is gravel. So it'll be interesting today. Let's see how it goes. Yeah, it's pretty straight. Turn it up from there. 590 first track, first pass, so not too bad, and it made all the gear changes, so the driver mod was good today. I mean, it wasn't yesterday. It's the first time since we put these loops in I've seen it does not get a line. And the line will go up with temperature. I just wonder if that.
So did you do the averages yet, Bill?
I called them all.
Averages of what?
Yesterday and today so far.
They didn't register that.
Oh.
But you're still like first
electric?
place.
Like, yes, it's electric.
I mean, you're gonna just turn it over.
Oh yeah, for sure.
Yeah.
Perfect.
And then they said, oh,
I was half throttle for
it'll be
the rest of like most of
4
the
to
pass.
5 days.
That was the TPS said?
Yeah.
Yeah, well, TPS might be broken.
Luckily, I figured it out this morning. So.
Oh, Trevor's out. Lost the turbo, it came apart. I don't know, center section broken, it's locked up, so it sucks. Like this, you can see right where the inlet is. Yeah, if it was cool, I bet you could feel it. All set up.
Maybe the $20 that I
What's that?
I had my draggy all set up to go, and just before I pulled forward, it popped off the dash and landed on the floor. I'm like, guess that's not happening.
Well,
He said the timing is off on the right lane. Rich's first pass, he said, was probably a 570 something, according to his draggy. And Rovik's was off like 3/10 on his draggy compared to the clock too. So I don't know if they're just making excuses or it's real. Looks pretty good. See the wheel spin right there? That's the rear wheel spin, the spin right there. There's the 60 foot. This is the timing curve. I just made this retard a bit deeper. Starting like right there. So it's gonna pull power out to take that away.
is this a Rich's spin?
Yeah, that's rear wheel speed. That's rear wheel speed. So you see the flare, that means it's spun right there.
So launch RPM is good, the launch boost is good.
It's holding there, it's just spinning here. And this is right where the clutch is engaging anyway, right here is where the clutch engages. So I'm going to pull more timing right there. So, well, I took, this is pulling 7 degrees here, now I have to pull. Okay, so what's your pressure?
John Harmon's back here in the right lane with the
11 and a half. I'm not going to touch that. Okay. I'm just going to pull timing. Okay, made 2 passes. First was a 590, second one was a 589. Made a little change to the tune-up, which I think we can do better. Not a massive change, but we'll see if it'll take it.
What do you say?
Well, I'm talking to this guy here, telling him I'm trying to beat you up. Trying to beat you up at the track.
How's that going?
Jiu-jitsu, I think you got me covered. But you got me covered right now, but I'm going to keep working at it. I'm going to keep chipping away. So you turn your car over?
Absolutely not.
You might go like 560, and then where would we be?
Well, we'd be even.
Yeah,
This is the victory.
Okay, thanks, Rich.
Let me know if you need any more interviews.
Okay, yeah, that's the number one guy right there. He's my Clutch Burners podcast partner. But when we're here, we're fighting. So fast, it's just tearing the trim off the car. Dang it. Oh, does that feel good on the balls?
Bill, have you tried the right lane yet? You should try the right lane.
No, I'm left-handed. So.
Rovic was the first one down after they played the wires. Yeah. Yeah, it was off. Like 6.1 to 6.4, that's quite a bit. And so the last pass that I just made went 580, 584. My Dragon showed 588.
So you gotta step up and take the 588.
Go tell him that the Draggy's right? I don't think I'm going to do that. I did tell Austin that he said they messed us up, but that was before Rovic made his pass. So. But anyways, don't go in the right lane.
Okay.
All that to tell you is don't go in the right lane.
Okay.
You want some help? You want a hand?
Blasco's pissing behind the billboard there. He's squatting. Isn't that weird?
Hi to you guys. You spun on the last pass on the hit.
No. About 0.8 seconds in.
Oh, is that where?
Yeah, so
I thought I'd seen you wag on the tail a
I
bit.
just pulled a little bit of timing and made them smile a little bit.
Oh, weird. Where'd you get that idea?
You. Thanks.
Don't take the pants off yet.
Oh, I didn't.
40 Oldsmobile power.
I didn't even look at it yet. Ooh, a 571, a 129. That's pretty good. I'm very happy with that.
And Rogers license plate just says,
Felt like a good pass.
Your Rovic is from the Yukon, where it's sub-zero.
Oh yeah,
temperatures.
141.
I wonder how he actually felt.
Rich gonna go back up
actually, I
now?
heard that he got
Is he getting nervous? Is that what he said?
I don't know, he's scared though.
He's scared. By 2. Oh, we're within like 700s.
All right.
So, it's close. Yeah.
Awesome.
Don't lose it.
Don't lose it.
Whoops, it got away from him.
141.
You run the numbers?
Oh yeah. Of course I ran the numbers.
What is it, 580 and 587, I think, right?
Yeah, somewhere in there. 580 for me and 587 for you. We're close.
Maybe we don't make another one.
It told me the first time I drove up to it on the way to the racetrack.
He gained a lot of ground.
Hoping we didn't hurt the motor.
Overnight hotline for parts.
It's making coolant pressure, and there's a sensor on there because if you blow a head gasket or something, and it'll put pressure in the cooling system, and you can see that. Okay. That would be bad.
Yeah, it doesn't sound very good.
But I have the motor has top tier hoops in it, so it really shouldn't have done that.
On the route.
I didn't really put any more up top. I just put more in, like, because I had cut the nuts out of it, like, before second gear. I just bumped it up a little bit more there, but clearly it didn't take it.
You just drove out of the groove.
Is that what I did?
Oh fuck, that's it. There was a beautiful pass. You just drifted right, got out of the groove, and spun the tire. Go back, man. You just will move your cunt here to the left. That thing was going.
That's amazing.
It was going.
Yeah.
That was a fucking.
I don't have my 60 foot because they didn't have a time slip. They probably have it up in the tower.
On the brake. Hi, Roman. You get tacos last night?
Most important part. Drink those dinosaurs.
That big of a deal. You got all the time with your position. Here's the piece of drama. Grand Junction, Colorado.
Alright, you ready to see something cool? No. Look at that. So we're gonna check the torque of the
And Jennifer Boyette, Ron, is something that the employees are used to doing. And they have knocked it out of the park. Well
We
done,
did this
Mike.
when we had it out.
Right.
We certainly do appreciate your hospitality.
But
Thank
it's
you
worth
for
the
the
check.
fact
And he
that
said
fans,
we could do
one day
1
off,
pound more, which
like
is where
looking.
it's at. It's at
We appreciate
116.
you all, and hopefully, I mean, you know, we want to get
That is beautiful valve train. But I just had the motor out. We checked them then, and they were fine then too. So it seems odd that we're just verifying these, and then it could be the sensor's faulty. I mean, lots of times you chase your tail on stuff, and it's just a bad sensor. So that is possible. You know, it's the one where it came up with the gear changes. That's the one that concerns me.
Okay.
Because that was more typical of what it did before. The other one where it's super erratic, that's weird. It's the battery that makes it go so fast.
Yeah? I have a 16 volt in a mirror and it doesn't start like that. But what starter is that?
It's just a power mess.
Power mess?
Yeah, I'll give you the part number. You do it tomorrow. Alright, recap for today. We made huge progress. We went 590 and then we went 589. Not huge. But then we went 571. And now we're only 7 thousandths apart from Rich Guido. His average is a 580 and ours is a 587. So we'll see. Tomorrow will be a good equalizer because it's not a great track. So we'll most likely both be on slicks.
In 30 miles. Then we do 1.3 miles, and then 3/10 of a mile, and 3/10 of a mile, and 157 feet. We end up at Phillipsburg Creamery.
Sweet.
But it'll be closed. Man.
Side oiler or what?
No, it's a Windsor platform.
Windsor platform?
Yeah.
Okay, so.
Do you want to sell us a bunch of ice cream?
Nope.
I guess not. Man, that sucks. I just want to give her my money.
Navigator fucked up
first turn. He's really bad at it. Yeah, it's not really changing. So see this dot right here?
Yeah.
That's where it is. This is the whole fuel table. I'll show you it as a graph. That's what it looks like. And this is where we are on the fuel table right now. So this is like the target air-fuel ratio for different areas. And this is where we are right now. So it's targeting like 14.3, 14.4 air-fuel ratio. We have made it to the hotel in Helena. Not nearly like the drive the other day, so it wasn't too bad, but it was beautiful, as I'm sure you've seen in the video. So, see you in the morning.